Welcome to PloopChannel.
Hi, where are Blaze and Crusher? I can't do this alone.
Hi, Lifty. We came as we promised.
Great, so now let's start to bake a pie for Leo. I know how to make an excellent berry pie.
That sounds like a really cool birthday present.
Blaze, please bring me 2 cups of flour.
Okay, I'm on my way. One, 2. Here you are, Lifty.
Crusher, please get me 1 cup of milk.
Will do. One cup of milk. Here's your milk, Lifty.
Well done, Crusher. And now I will add 3 eggs. One, 2, 3. Now we have to add some sugar and a little salt. Right, the dough is ready now. So let's roll it out. How about adding some filling?
Maybe some strawberries.
I'll go and get some.
And I'll bring some blueberries. I brought 3 strawberries. And I brought 6 blueberries.
Looks nice. I'll take it over to the oven. In it goes. And shut the door. I'll turn the oven on. And now we must wait. It will be ready soon, guys, but we need some candles.
I know where to get some from.
Only 3, but Leo will be 6 years old.
So what will we do? I know, we can cut each candle in half to make 6 candles. Right, now it's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles.
Hear that? The pie is ready. That pie smells very good. Put the candles on, quick. Leo will be here soon. It's ready.
I can hear Leo coming.
Hello, my friends.
Leo, happy birthday from us.
A fruit pie, my favourite. Leo, make a wish and blow the candles out.
Happy birthday, Leo.
Come on, everyone, let's eat.
What was your wish, Leo?
Crusher, if I tell you, it won't come true. What do you think I wished for? Write and tell me in the comments section who will get the correct answer. Bye for now.